What's up, guys? What should our gross profit margin be to know that we're doing the right things in our business? Hey guys, Kelly McKay here on your favorite HVAC business YouTube channel, HVAC Millionaire, along with Market Today. Market Today provides the HVAC industry with proven marketing tools, business courses, and a contact center to help you get in business and grow your business. Check them out at markettoday.com. That's M-A-R-K-I-T today.com. And before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Hit the notification alarm button, bell, to get those notifications when new videos drop. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Okay, so today we're talking about gross profit margins. Now, on an income statement or a profit and loss statement, it's the same exact document, just different names. So basically, you've got your total revenue, and then you're gonna minus your equipment, the cost of the equipment. You're going to minus the materials. You're going to minus the equipment rentals. You're going to minus the subcontractors that you hired to do some of the work if you needed to. I know some of you guys in different parts of the country totally subcontract out all your installs. Well, it would go right below your total revenue. You're going to take that away, that cost of goods sold before we get to the gross profit margin. You're going to minus any parts that you used and sold. But here's why there can be such a drastic difference in a gross profit margin from one company to the next. It's because not everybody is throwing their field labor up here above the line. And I highly recommend that you do that and just see where you're actually at, because the field labor is being sold as a cost of goods sold, right? It's being sold. When you bid a job, you're bidding it for 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. However many hours it takes to complete a job, you're selling those hours. So it is a cost of goods sold. So if we throw that field labor in there, we minus all this stuff, then we're left with our gross profit. And when you convert that to a percentage, that's when you get your gross profit margin. And that's what we're looking at. We're looking at percentages. It's extremely important to look at percentages because there's industry standards or industry averages that successful companies have modeled for us. They've paved the way for us. They've shown us what works and what doesn't. And if we follow what they're doing, it gives us an idea of what needs to be fixed. If I'm too high somewhere, I'm too low somewhere, what do I need to do to change it? I can compare that to industry standards, and that's going to help me make good business decisions. So what are we looking for gross profit margin? So I'm going to tell you, no less than 42%. No less than 42%. I like to be at 50% myself or higher. Of course, we always want to be higher. Because if we're higher, that means we're selling our goods for enough money that there's plenty of money left over to pay all of our expenses. And as long as we watch those expenses, there's something left over, and that's the net profit. That's what we actually get to keep. So this is an important number to look at, and this will tell you right away, am I charging enough? Or do I have enough sales? It helps to just go in and break down some invoices. And I've taught you guys how to do that in the past. They're really popular videos. Just go back and find out how to break down these invoices so you can find out what your gross margins are and see where they're at, and make sure that you're covering all of your overhead expenses and leaving yourself a little bit of profit so you can, buy the things that you need to in your company to grow and add the people that you need to add and give the benefits that you want to give. But it all starts with this. It all starts with this gross profit margin and going ahead and throwing your field labor in there and see where you come out. A lot of people aren't doing the field labor in there, but that's a game changer because that really tells you exactly where you're at. Now your administrative labor, my wage, for instance, the dispatchers, the general manager, the bookkeeper, they're going to go down here below this line. So it'd be admin, marketing, anything that's expenses, fuel cost, maintenance costs, utilities. That's going to go down below that line into the expense bucket. So find out where you're at, and this can tell you a lot about your business. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it brought some clarity and understanding around what our gross profit margin should be in our HVAC business. If you like this video, please subscribe below, and please check out Market Today, markettoday.com, MARKIT today.com. I am going away for a couple of days. That's why this video is coming out a little early. It's my wife and I's 24th wedding anniversary. So excited to just get away for a couple of days and spend some time with her. Love you guys. Subscribe, comment below. Go make money. Boom.